Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just a really pretty soft coral halo eye using the Juvia'S Place Nubian 3 Coral palette. I saw this on Trend Mood, I think, and I thought about this for so long. I was like, I'm not gonna get it, I don't want it. But then I kept thinking about it and I was like, I need to get it. So I got it. This is my first Juvia'S Place palette. That was the other thing, I really wanted a Juvia'S Place palette, but I didn't know which one to get. And then this one just spoke to me. I don't really have any corally palettes, so I thought that's why I should pick it up, but I absolutely love it so far. This is the first look that I created with it, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And if you're following me on all my social media, that helps you get a shout out in my next video. This week's shout out is right here. If you follow me on Twitter, you'll see tweets that say retweet for a shout out. Or if you comment on my videos and just leave a nice comment or video suggestion, that can help you get a shout out. Or if you follow me on Instagram and see a post that says comment for a shout out or something like that, then that is how you can get a shout out in my next video. So make sure you check out this week's shout out. Their info will be linked down below. If you guys have any video suggestions, like I was just saying, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.